and just hit start, and now you can automate Higgsfield's new Soul 2 AI image generation. See, automatically. Now it will automatically generate all the 26 prompts that I have put in this box. Basically I have automated the Higgsfield AI image generation. It will automatically generate all the prompts that I have given one by one, and then it will stop automatically when it is done. Higgsfield AI just released their new AI image generator, which is called Soul 2, and this one is out of this world. It can generate some of the most realistic images that I have ever seen that an AI image generator could generate. And the best part is you can generate consistent images. They have introduced a new thing which is called Soul ID 2.0, where you can just go to Higgsfield 2.0. Here you will see characters. You just have to enter here and click on enter character, and you have to upload 20 plus images. 20 plus images, and you can upload up to 80 images. You can upload your behind the photo, you can upload your photos from different angles, and you can go outside and upload in the different lighting. But I have I was in my room and I just took these photos, and just like that I have uploaded at least 30-40 plus images. And then you just hit create, and after a while you will see something like this. You can select these characters just like that. As you can see, the character has selected, and there are a lots of presets. You can choose any one of them. So let's say I'm gonna choose the Asian nostalgia. You give it a prompt. I wrote so many prompts. Let's say I'm gonna copy these and paste it right here. You can choose the aspect ratio as well. Let's say I choose 2:3 and hit generate. By the way, Higgsfield has given 2500 free generations on their new Soul 2.0. You just have to have the access of their ultimate plan, and you will have almost 2500 generations. I have spent almost 500, so whatever. So just like that, painting watercolor space outdoor man, and this is the one. As you can see, this is exactly like me. So just like that, I have generated quite a lot of images. By the way, I did not wrote a single prompt. I made a custom GPT which generates so many prompts for me. If you are interested, let me know in the comment below. If I would get enough response, I will make the custom GPT live for you. And as you can see, I am in a different place doing different. This is the thumbnail I was trying to generate, and the images are awesome. If you would ask me what's the negative side, I would have to say the resolution. See, the resolution a bit low. No matter whichever preset I choose, I wish it could be a bit higher resolution, but overall doesn't matter. The images it generated, this is exactly like me. So those of you who have got the massive Higgsfield Soul 2.0's 2500 free generations, I'm sure you are getting tired of pasting prompt and doing certain stuff. So let me introduce you to my Chrome extension that I have made to automate everything. So for example, I'm gonna give here a prompt. For example, write 20 more without repeating any previous ones. I can generate multiple prompts at once specifically for this new Higgsfield Soul 2.0. So it will give me a prompt just like this, and all I have to do is copy this prompt and go to the Higgsfield Soul 2.0 tab. If I reload it once again, you have to change what aspect ratio required. For this example, let's say it's 3:2, and I'm choosing Higgsfield Soul and 2 generation at batch a time. And I have already chose my character here. You can add characters as well. So I chose this character, and I'm choosing this effect, which one is old smartphone. This one is the best in my opinion. It generates very realistic, like so after doing this, you just have to go to our auto generator. I will probably change the name within a few minutes or seconds after recording this video. So then you just have to paste all the prompts, and the prompt will be one line per prompt, one line in one prompt. So just like this, and the delay between one prompt. So let's say it's 8 second or 5 second or 10 second. Let's say I'm gonna give it 5 seconds, and you just hit start, and it will automatically see, it will start generating those photos for you one by one. And let's see, 2 out of 20, there was 20 prompts, and it will automatically speak into microphone podcast man. And the next time, yeah, as you can see, it is changing the everything. And I must say that Higgsfield Soul 2.0 is on another level. Like, I'm definitely sure that you guys have already have some idea. The photos I gave Higgsfield Soul 2.0 to train, these images are just exactly like me. Like, my mom ain't gonna tell if this is me or it is AI generated. This is absolutely amazing. By the way, this is Ramadan, so I cannot show you some exotic photos. If I wanted, I could have trained a female model and I could have shown these, but these are the examples I'm gonna give you, and it will generate one by one how many prompts you gave earlier. See, it is running in background. You can stop anytime you want. And yeah, so if you are interested about the extension, I might have to talk to the Higgsfield team if they want me to release it or not. I will definitely try to talk to them. And by the way, if you get it, you can, this is the Telegram channel t.me/Junoverse.ai. If they approves, I will upload it right there. So yeah, and I can one click clear, and these are all the 20 images it generated. This is mind blowing. The images it generates, this is absolutely out of this world, man. Thank you, Higgsfield team.